You really don't need 5 or 6 skincare routine. Yes, you really don't need 5 or 6 skincare routine. 3 is okay. In this video, I'm going to be telling you guys 3 skincare products that you can use to have that shiny, glowing skin. Something that will brighten up your skin, something that will maintain your skin color and skin tone. You're not going to get lighter and you're not going to get darker. It is just going to give you that shiny, glowing skin that you want. Stay there, don't move. I'm coming. What's up, beautiful people? How are you guys doing? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a long time since I dropped a video. I have been so busy with other things, and as well I have been lazy. Yes. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a skincare recommendation, cheap and affordable skincare recommendation for all skin type, and something that will brighten up your skin. So if you're here to subscribe, girl, guy, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button, like, share, comment. Let's dive right today's video. One on my list is a face cleanser. You need a face cleanser to cleanse your skin. Don't apply your skincare products on a dirty skin. You need a face cleanser. Yes, face cleanser is very important. Don't miss face cleanser. And you can use this one that is trending. Simple. It is a facial wash. Use it to cleanse your face. It's going to gently remove excess dirt from your face. Another one is this one from Face Facts. You all know Face Facts products are really affordable and they are doing what they are supposed to do. So get this one as well from Face Facts. It is going to gently cleanse your skin, remove excess dirt, excess oil, excess makeup from your face. And after a facial cleanser, what next? I know you'll be like, I need a toner, like I always say in my video, but in this video, you don't need a toner. Yes, you don't need a toner and you don't need a serum. Yes, you skip those two and then you proceed to using a moisturizer of your choice. Any moisturizer that you want to use. You can use this one from Face Fact. You can as well use this one right here to moisturize your face. Don't go without using a moisturizer. Yes, don't go without using a moisturizer. And after moisturizer, what next? Sunscreen is very important, you guys. Sunscreen is very important. Don't skip sunscreen. Any sunscreen of your choice. You can use aqua. I love skin aqua, otamugi. You guys go get otamugi because it is big and it is going to protect your skin. The only thing is that it stings the eyes, but it is going to do the job. Just make sure you avoid your eye area. Use otamugi, skin aqua, beauty of justice sunscreen, B high hole UV. I don't know. I'm going to include a picture right here. It's going to protect your skin from sun damage and sun exposure. These 3 things are the basic things you need in your skincare routine. But if you want to be more extra, you want something that is going to work fast, that's when you can now include a toner, serum, essence, and all that. But the basic thing, the most important thing in your skincare routine, if you are trying to spend on a budget, especially in this tea economy, if you are trying to spend on the budget, you don't want to spend too much on skincare, and as well you want to have a healthy glowing skin, you want your skin to be shining. These 3 things is the basic thing you need. You need a face wash, face moisturizer, and sunscreen. But if you want to be more extra, you can now include all those toner, essence, serum, and all that. This is the end of today's video. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as I do. Thank you guys for watching so much. See you guys in my next video. Before then,